Get ready for a mouth-watering addition to the Upper West Side's culinary scene. La Panineria, a beloved Italian sandwich shop, has just opened its doors on Amsterdam Avenue, bringing a taste of Naples to the neighborhood. This family-run business, with its fresh-cut meats and house-baked breads, has already made a name for itself with 2 other successful locations in NYC. But here's where it gets interesting. La Panineria's story is deeply rooted in family tradition. Owner Mario Pesce, a native of Naples, has fulfilled a lifelong dream by continuing his family's legacy in the food industry. The Upper West Side outpost is a testament to the power of family and the enduring appeal of authentic Italian cuisine. Pesce's father ran a panineria in Italy, and his relatives have played a crucial role in the success of the NYC locations. The family's food lineage even extends to Chelsea Market, where Pesce's great-uncle owns Bonitolia, and to the late Tony May, a renowned New York restaurateur. When you step into the new UWS shop, you'll find a menu that has won over loyal fans downtown and on the Upper East Side. Expect a delicious array of options, from freshly baked baguettes and ciabatta to Italian meats and cheeses sliced to perfection. You can customize your sandwich or opt for one of their signature combinations. And if you're in the mood for something different, they've got you covered with salads, soups, pasta dishes, and a sweet selection of Italian pastries like bombolone, cannoli, and tiramisu. La Panineria's arrival on the Upper West Side is a cause for celebration for food lovers and a testament to the power of family-run businesses. But here's the part most people miss. It's not just about the food. It's about the story behind it, the passion, and the legacy. So, will you be giving La Panineria a try? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Is this a welcome addition to the neighborhood's sandwich scene, or do you have other favorites? Let us know in the comments.